Rule your own world.
Morning! Welcome back to Norway. Last night there was a blizzard.
I know, there's loads of snow. Like, it's not as early as it may seem, although I feel like it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. It's about 8:45. We got 15 minutes to walk into town and meet our next tour guide.
So we're going with Sami Adventures. And Sami, I think they're like an old Norwegian tribe.
That's right, yeah.
Is that right, yeah?
I think so.
Check me out, knowledge. So we're gonna do, they're taking us on like a UTV, because that's what they used to use back in the day.
I'm like, no it's not.
And then we're gonna go meet some reindeer.
Oh,
It's gonna be so cool.
Is my day. This is my bucket list wish.
Is it?
To meet a reindeer? Yes!
Learn something new every day.
The ones that walk through Cardiff, they're not real, and I've never stopped to actually say, hiya, what's your name, where'd you come from? So I can't wait. There's supposed to be a herd of 200 of them.
Is it?
And they just let you in the pen to just feed them. What do they eat, Craig?
I'm not sure. Amy Bannisters, I heard.
They eat moss.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, guys. Like, if you had the choice of everything in the world, you chose moss.
They are vegans. So Craig should get
Vegan?
on with them very well. This is Craig's new thing. He's part of will.i.am's vegan.
Vegan?
I can't wait for today. I'm really excited. Tonight we're staying in a traditional Lavu tent.
Ooh.
Which is just going to be magical, Craig.
I hope it's warm enough.
Yeah.
We'll have a go. So we've got to go because we're late.
Obviously.
Look how cool these houses are. They're like little Norwegian mansions, aren't they?
Would you show the background?
Yeah, look at that backdrop.
When we first got here, I didn't actually see that mountain because it was so dark. Boom!
Look how much snow. All of that is just snow piled up. Okay, I think that's our riding.
I'm glad I'm not driving it, and I think you are as well.
How cool is that? I think we get big boiler suits to put on so we don't get cold because it's open top. Look at this bad boy. Pretty special. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we've got our ride. John's just picked us up and he's given us some gear to keep us warm. Excited for this, Aim?
Yeah, I think we're going to be alright. He's going to go and show us some fjords. We're not just getting picked up, we're going somewhere. So it's going to be lush because the sun is going to come out soon. Or at least we're going to have some light. It's going to be great. We're always on about, like, you know, when you get to a place like Asia, you know, get a tuk-tuk or rent a motorcycle and have the breeze in your face whenever you're driving. And this is just perfect, isn't it? A little bit colder than usual. But that's what these are for, isn't it? Right.
Yeah, these are going to be lifesavers.
Look at that for a backdrop. Amazing. First stop to an amazing view of the whole of Tromso. Wow!
Okay. We've stopped. We're supposed to be doing a UTV tour to see the fjords. But John said this is the worst blizzard he's ever been in his life. So we've stopped at a little coffee shop, which is a saviour. They got a fire and everything, and I think they're going to send the car to pick us up because the weather's just too bad, which is a damn shame because apparently the fjords are beautiful when you can see.
Today we're not gonna get to see the reindeers. It's fine. I'm fine. We're in the middle of nowhere, in a little shack, which is lovely and warm. We've had some gross coffee, probably cost an arm and a leg. And so someone, we don't know him, neither does John, but he's gonna take us home in his car. Bless him. Now we've booked into another Airbnb because we're supposed to be staying in the tent tonight. So I don't know where that is. And I don't know what else we're going to do today, but we're going to have to rebook this for later on in the week. But that's just what happens here in Tromso. You can never fully book your itinerary because of the weather.
That storm was crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back in the car. We found somewhere to sleep. We got an Airbnb across the bridge, so we're going to drive there now, make some noodles and have a kip because we're shattered.
We are shattered, man.
But John was a legend, such a nice guy. His whole family are from the Sami tribe, so there's like, where he lives is like 3,000 people. And yeah, he's just like, but I just want to get out of here. He wants to go traveling the world and stuff, but he's a really cool guy. And he drove us in that weather, and he had his goggles on, and we were like hiding behind the seats. It was so cold. It's like out in the Arctic. But yeah, it's a shame we had to cancel it because the fjords we were driving through were incredible. It was just like giant mountains, like aqua green seas.
You just can't believe what your eyes are seeing,
it was madness. And like so photogenic as well. Like every little house, you're just like, you want to stop the car and take a photo. But
oh yeah, by the way, we're moving here when we're older.
I'd happily move here. It's funny, isn't it? Like whenever you meet people, they always want what they haven't got.
That's
like
right, yeah.
We live somewhere, you know, the weather's not great in Wales, but John lives in the snow and he's like, I want to go to Miami, I want to go somewhere hot. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, isn't it?
I'm actually starving, so if you can shut up then would be great.
Come on then!
We've got super noodles and I just can't wait for them.
Oh, that heated seat, so nice on my bum.
On your little bum.
Freezing all day, mum. Airbnb, decent, isn't it? Right on the water. Look at this mess.
See you later.
How was your day in the tundra?
I don't know what that means.
The Arctic tundra.
I never went there.
Your mother went there. You were born there. So on this gaff, come on, hurry up. So we're right on the water, which is really cool. So this Airbnb was like 57 quid, and this is the building it's in, but it looks out over the water and the mountains. How nice is that? Okay, so Amy's had a kip. I've edited the vlog. So now we're going to go meet some Instagrammers. So we met Leanne and Jack on Instagram. Top Instagrammers, go and check them out. We'll link them by here. So we're going to go for a little drinky poo in town.
I did invite them over, but then I just realised that our Airbnb was just a bedroom. So I thought they might have thought we were a bit weird. So we are going out to spend about £500 each on shit coffee. But we'll see if we can find like a bottomless coffee, then it might be worth it.
£100.
I mean, what's the chances that they're in Tromso of all places when we are here?
Chucking us, stalking us.
They're definitely stalking us, I'm telling you.
They're from Hull as well.
They both fancy me, I know they do.
Get over yourself. No, that at all.
He said leaving now, should be there in 5 minutes. Keep a lookout for a blue Toyota Yaris. They went all out. Got the big dog, didn't they?
Toyota Yaris is tiny, mate.
Joking.
Guys!
We were going to steal one.
We know you want to know that. I was quite lucky with the whale one.
So I've had a few drinks and just feel a bit peckish, which is terrible to feel in Norway. So you have a little Snickers here, little £2.50, and then this bar of chocolate is £6.40. No joke, no joke.
What's that packet there?
This, you told me it was, what is it, salted licorice? £3, but you wouldn't want that anyway.
Come on, give us a smell. And we're back in the room.
So that's a really short but sweet video for you guys today. Someone accidentally didn't put the microphone on when we was filming saying ta to the guys, so sorry about that, guys. It was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah, really nice people. So yeah, great to meet you guys. Thanks for the chats and all that, and the beers. So that's it for today's vlog. So if you're brand spanking new, then thanks so much for hanging around with us, and please press subscribe.
Keep going higher. And if you're not new, And if you're not new guys, then thanks a bunch for watching. Thanks for sticking with us and for pressing the little thumbs up on all of these videos and the little bell and all that jazz. And remember, always rule your own world.
1, 2, 3, bye.